Hi children, good morning. Welcome to today's social class. Today I'm going to start a new lesson that is also from your geography. Geography 6th chapter, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Okay, chapter name Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. So today we can see detail about the natural vegetation and wildlife. Okay, natural vegetation generally classified into three broad categories. Okay, natural vegetation generally classified into three broad categories. They are forest, grassland, and shrubs. Forest, grassland, and shrubs. So in this chapter, we detailedly see about the forest and grassland and shrubs. Today in this video, I'm going to explain about forest, the features of forest, what are the different kinds of forest, and all these things we can see today. Okay, so let us start our class. Okay.
Natural vegetation and wildlife. Plants play a very crucial role in our existence. They are the only form of life which can convert solar energy into food energy. The area covered by plants on the Earth's surface constantly being modified by human activities. The plants that grow naturally without human intervention are called natural vegetation. Natural vegetation varies from region to region depending upon the availability of sunlight, rainfall, temperature, moisture, latitude, altitude, type of soil, etc. The growth of vegetation depends on temperature and moisture. It is also depends on factors like slope and thickness of soil. The type and thickness of natural vegetation varies from place to place because of the variation in these factors. Natural vegetation is generally classified into three broad categories as follows: forest, grasslands, and shrubs. Forests, which grow where temperature and rainfall are plentiful to support a tree cover. Depending upon these factors, dense and open forests are grown. Grasslands, which grow in the region of moderate rain. Shrubs, thorny shrubs and scrubs grow in the dry region. The changes in the type of natural vegetation occur mainly because of the changes of climate condition. Let us get to know the different types of natural vegetation of the world with their characteristics, features, and wildlife inhabiting there. Forest. Trees and shrubs growing together at a particular place is called a forest. Apart from trees and shrubs, bushes and grasses and also grow in forest. Usually, forests are found in the areas of high rainfall. They are classified into six basic categories: tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, temperate evergreen forest, temperate deciduous forest, Mediterranean forest, coniferous forest. Tropical evergreen forest. These forests are also called tropical rainforests. These thick forests occur in the regions near the equator and close to the tropics. These regions are hot and receive heavy rainfall throughout the year. As there is no particular dry season, the trees do not shed their leaves altogether. This is the reason they are called evergreen. The thick canopies of the closely spaced trees do not allow the sunlight to penetrate inside the forest even the daytime. Hardwood trees like rosewood, ebony, mahogany are common here. Tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous are the monsoon forests found in the large part of India, northern Australia, and in Central America. This region experiences seasonal changes. Trees shed their leaves in the dry season to conserve water. The hardwood trees found in these forests are sal, teak, neem, and shisha. Hardwood trees are extremely useful for making furniture, transport, and constructional materials. Tigers, lions, elephants, langoons, and monkeys are the common animals of these regions. Temperate evergreen forest. The temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coast region. They are commonly found along the eastern margin of the continents. Example, in the southeast USA, South China, and the southeast Brazil. They comprise both hard and soft wood trees like oak, pine, eucalyptus, etc. Temperate deciduous forest. As we go towards higher latitudes, there are more temperate deciduous forests. These are found in the northeastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, Chile, and also found in the coastal regions of Western Europe. They shed their leaves in the dry season. The common trees are oak, ash, beech, etc. Deer, foxes, wolves are the animals commonly found. Birds like pheasants, monals are also found here. Mediterranean vegetation. You have learned that most of the east and northeast margins of the continents are covered by temperate, evergreen, and deciduous trees. The west and the southwest margins of the continents are different. They have Mediterranean vegetation. It is mostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa, and Asia. Hence the name. These kinds of vegetation is also found outside the actual Mediterranean regions in the California in the USA, Southwest Africa, Southwestern South America, and Southwest Australia. These regions are marked for hot, dry summers and mid-rainy winters. Citrus fruits such as orange, figs, olives, and grapes are commonly cultivated here because people have removed the natural vegetation in order to cultivate what they want to. There isn't much wildlife here. Coniferous forest. In the higher latitudes, 50 to 70 of northern hemisphere, the spectacular coniferous forests are found. These are also called as taiga. These are the trees which Salima found in the Himalayas in the abundance. They are tall, softwood evergreen trees. The woods of these trees are very useful for making pulp, which is used for manufacturing paper and newsprint. Matchboxes and packing boxes are also made from softwood. Chir, pine, cedar are the important variety of trees in this forest. Silver fox, mink, polar bear are the common animals found here. Children, let us wind up today's class. Now you have to watch this video minimum 3 times and read many times today's portion and underline important points and to given words. Okay, thank you to listening my class.